morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober day number 9. Yeah, it's day number 9. Had to think for a second. I am feeling a lot better today. I just made my breakfast, as you guys saw, and I'm gonna go eat it, and then we're gonna get started working. I have to edit yesterday's like mini vlog. You guys will know what I'm talking about when you see it. It was a rough day, but I'm gonna edit that vlog. I'm gonna do a couple of orders, and then we are just designing a ton of stuff for Friday's new releases. I'm so excited to get back into the swing of things as far as designing stickers and a new release schedule and all of that. So that's what we're gonna do, but first I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. All of our friends working together. Yay! I still have to add our 4th friend, but the original 3 are at it again. You guys, I'm like struggling to figure out what I want to design. I have a couple of kits that I want to design, but I'm just like not in the mood to design kits right now. But I think that I'm going to come out with 2 kits and then a bunch of like single sheets. I actually have 2 notes page kits that I have done that I'm going to list also. I want to do more notes page kits. Why is that so hard for me to say? But I don't know if I'll get them done this week or if they'll be like on a different new release day. But let me show you guys what I just designed, because these are really, really cute and I'm really excited. Like, I thought about bringing them for $2 Tuesday, but honestly, I'm just gonna put them in the shop with new releases because they're really cute and I don't want to wait until next Tuesday. So look at how cute these little Christmas cupcakes are. I'm so excited. So I actually have some coffee mugs as well, and then I have these little like Christmas girl, like doing different Christmassy things. So I'm gonna do that as well. I kind of just want to do them for a regular new release. So I have, let me tell you guys how many different things that I could potentially have for new releases this week. I have 12 things that could be like single sheets, and then I have the 2 kits that I want to make. So there could be quite a few new releases. And then I have some ideas for different scripts that I want to do. I just have a lot of ideas floating in my head, and I need to like gather all of my thoughts together and get them done. I'm also gonna do, I think I mentioned this already, I'm also gonna do my Christmas advent calendar stuff today. I'm only doing 12 days, and 2 of the days I'm doing a mini kit and a full kit, spoiler alert. But the rest of them are gonna be single sheets. So I think that the kits are gonna be exclusive to the advent calendar. And then the single sheets, I might have some that are exclusive just to the advent calendar, but then there's also gonna be stuff that's in the shop already that you could purchase. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I really want to get the advent calendar up. I'm putting it off because, well, I was really busy last month, so I couldn't really get to it, but now I've just been putting it off because I don't know what to do with it, and I'm like stressed out because it's kind of like a mystery kit almost. You don't know what you're gonna get, which is exciting, but at the same time I'm like, what is something that everybody could use? Or, you know, I just don't want people to be disappointed with it or be like, oh, I wish I wouldn't have gotten this if I had known, you know. But like, so I'm trying to figure out stuff that like everybody can use, and it's really difficult because not everybody's the same or has the same style. So I'm just like so nervous about it. And I'm also just like, what if I do this whole pre-sale and I don't get any orders for it? So I don't know. I'm gonna do it because for the past 3 years, I think I've wanted to do it and I haven't. So I'm gonna make myself do it this year. And I know a lot of people, they always say this like with their sticker shop and stuff, like, I've wanted to do this for so long and I haven't done it. And I'm always like, no, just go for it, just jump. And I need to take my own advice, and I need to just go for it and do it with this advent calendar. It's just so scary, you know. It's just, and you know, I know you guys know that because a lot of people have said like how scary the thought of opening a shop is and everything like that. But you're never gonna know if you never try, and I really need to do this and just know, like, if it doesn't work out this year, then I know that for next year, but it could be like a big hit this year. It could be something that you know, people really love and are really excited for. So I'm gonna get it done and I'm gonna figure it out. Obviously, I'm not gonna show that on the vlog because I don't want you guys to know what's in the advent calendars, but yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to have a good mix. Let's see, there's 12 days, so if I do 6 days that have stuff in the shop and 6 days that have stuff that's only exclusive to the advent calendar, I feel like that would be good. And I'm gonna do like a mixture of like functional and decorative and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a list and get my thoughts out of my head and onto paper, and then that way I can have something that I can see and like work on instead of it all being in here. And I think that will really help me to figure out what I'm doing with this and to get everything ready for this. My goal is to have it pre-sale this weekend, possibly into next week, depending on how long I want to keep it open. Because I don't know how well it's going to sell. So if it like, I don't know, magically sells like 100 in the weekend, like I'm gonna be like, okay, got time to shut this down, because I want to make sure that I can get everything out. I want it to ship out by like the first part of November. That's my goal, because I want you guys to have it in time for Christmas. And I know with shipping, especially around this time of year, it can be delayed and everything like that. And I just want to make sure you guys have it in your hands, so that way you guys can, you know, do it whenever. Like if you wanted to do it December 1st through 12th, or if you want to do the 12th through the 24th, or however you guys want to do it, I want to make sure that it's in your hands so you can do that. So that's what I'm going to work on now. You guys, we have a major problem. A major problem. Why didn't anybody tell me that that cookie butter that I bought last night was going to be so stinking addictive? Like, I just want to go eat the whole jar right now. Like, no self-control. Why did I put that in my cart? That stuff is amazing. I need to stop though, because I'm trying really, really hard to be good. And thankfully I've not really gained any weight back, but I've also not lost any weight this week. So I need to get back on my game and work out and eat healthy. But oh my goodness, that cookie butter is so good. All that to say, I took a break and then I had some of the cookie butter and it was just a nightmare because it's so good. But I'm gonna get back to, what am I doing? Designing stuff. I'm gonna get back to designing stuff. I actually finalized some stuff for the advent calendar, which I'm really excited about. So now that I have everything on paper, I feel a lot better and more organized and more like prepped to deal with this. So that's good. I'm gonna put some Mom on my iPad so I can watch that while I design, and I'm going to show you guys all that. Okay guys, it's finally time to start dinner. It is 6:30. James had to work a little bit later than he thought, so now it's time to make dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready and then I will film me cooking. That's a really funny face. I can't with you. Alright, so we finished the chicken teriyaki bowls. They're not like beautiful like the picture, but they're gonna be delicious. You ready to eat? Okay.
Here's the thing.
Oh my gosh, please don't. This is gonna get stuck in my head.
Traded your legs for angel wings. I remember the next line though. Something. I don't remember what he says there. You took a run and leap and you learned to fly. Bye,
little Sebastian. Missed you in the saddest
fashion. Yeah, can you sing it with me?
No, I don't know all the words, I just know bye, bye, little Sebastian. If you guys don't know the song he's singing, you should definitely go watch Parks and Rec. Okay guys, I hope you liked that little performance from James singing Bye Bye Little Sebastian from...
the song's called 5,000 Candles.
Oh, 5,000 Candles from Parks and Rec. And definitely if you've not, if you don't know what we're talking about, just stop what you're doing and go watch Parks and Rec, okay? Just do it. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because it is 9:30 and I really kind of want to go to bed. Oh my gosh. I said I want to go to bed. This is what happened. I said, I want to go to bed. I'm gonna call my grandma and tell her good night and call my mom and tell her good night. And he goes in there and he gets his guitar. Like, it's not time for a concert, dude. It's time for bed. I'm too old. So, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here, and hopefully this concert will end soon.
She's getting no sleep.
Gosh.
She's getting no sleep.
Did your leg just pop?
Says she's really tired. 'Cause she's getting no sleep. She says she wants to sleep now, but she has her camera out. You like that?
That is so beautiful. Thank you for writing that song just for my vlog. You should write a theme song, and like that should be my intro for all my videos.
Okay, but you probably don't want it 12-bar blues.
No, you can work on it. You don't have to do it today. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to be notified right when I upload. And I'm gonna go and hopefully this crazy person in my apartment stops playing the guitar soon. So wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck.